I would like to thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your own crochet twists or braids. Click the links below in the description to purchase any items I mentioned in the video. So right here I have an elastic, and then I have a cut headband. Mine's is kind of worn out, but because I use it a lot. So you can just cut the headband in half, and then you're going to tie one end to the elastic, and then you're going to do the other end to the other side of the elastic. Because you want to do it like this because you will be braiding or twisting on the elastic, and you want to twist or braid on the elastic, so when you get ready to finish, it'll be easier to slide off. So I do knot it twice for it to be secure. And then you're going to take the other side and do the same thing. You're going to pull it as tight as you can, because you don't want the elastic to be too loose, because you don't want it to be flimsy, because when you're doing the braid or the twist, you don't want it to be looking all flimsy and stuff. You want it to be tugged, so when you braid it or twist it, it's not sliding. So I would recommend you doing this on a chair that has arms. And see how snug it is? You want it to be like that. You don't want it to be too tight, and you don't want it to be too loose. That's just me testing it out. And you're going to braid on the elastic, on both sides of the elastic. You're going to braid on that so it can be easier to slide off. So you can set up a braiding rack, which I will link in the description below, or where you can get it from. And I will also link where I got this chair from as well. The braiding rack, it helps you with your crochet, because you can already have the hair pre-sorted. So it kind of makes the process a little faster. You don't have to use this, but I highly recommend it, because it is a very tedious process, and it does take a while to do your own crochet. So I highly recommend, if you have it pre-sorted out, all you do is just grab the hair and you just braid or twist down on the hair. So for your box braids, you are going to start it off as a twist, but you're only going to do one strand, and then you're going to turn it into a braid. And you do it this way because if you start it off as a braid, it will be hard to crochet on your hair. So that's why it looks like that at the top. I only do one strand because you don't want it to be notice that it looks like a twist. So you only do one strand, and then you just braid down. And I will be showing you how to do the twist as well. You see how it looks when I try to do two strands? You only want to do one. So one, and then you're going to take the other strand, and then you're going to create it into two extra strands to turn into a braid. And you're just going to proceed to braid down. And that's it for the braids. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a twist. This is a Senegalese twist. You're going to twist both strands and then you're going to twist. Twist both strands, then you're going to twist. Twist both strands, then you're going to twist. That's all it is. I think this is one of the difficult twists that people have a hard time with, because they don't get the concept of how it's so tight. But you just twist both strands and then you twist around, twist it up together while the two strands is being twisted up as well. See how neat it is? And then I'm going to show you another one. My hands look a little crazy, but that's how you do a Senegalese twist. You can also do passion twist on here. You can do pretty much any crochet hair, whether it's curly, butterfly locks, or any type of crochet that you can think of. You can do it on this little elastic. So to secure your Senegalese twist, because if you don't secure it, will unravel, you just braid it down, and once you soak them, you won't notice that it's a braid at the end of your twist. But this helps secure your Senegalese twist so they won't unravel, and you don't have to use any type of so I heard some people use nail glue. You don't have to do that with these. You could just use or you could just braid it down, which is also faster. I heard some people, they knot theirs up. I don't really like that method, because when you take them out, it's a little crazy. So I prefer to braid them down. So right here, you can cut any I didn't do it on camera, but you could cut like any type of little hairs that's sticking out, so your crochet can be neat. I didn't cut it on camera, but you guys have seen me like cut like the little hairs from like braids and stuff. You're going to leave it on the elastic to dip it. So if you're planning on doing like a bob or something, you can just skip this step, because you don't have to dip it, because you want your braider twist or whatever type of bob you're doing to be stiff, so you can have the ends bumped. So right now I'm going to be doing, say if I'm doing like a regular crochet box braid, I'm going to pour the water from the kettle warmer on the whole twist or braid. And I will link below of what type of hair I use and what where can you purchase like this kettle warmer. And then that pot that I'm using, it is for hair purposes only. I do not leave it in the kitchen. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I hope this helps you out.